So your Canva design looks perfect, but after exporting, some elements are missing or not rendering properly. Yeah, that's frustrating. Let's fix it fast. First, check your layers. Sometimes elements are technically there, but hidden behind something else. Bring important elements to the front before exporting. Next, check transparency. If an element's opacity is too low, it might not show up in the final export. Make sure it's set properly, especially for text and overlays. Sometimes certain Canva elements just glitch out. It happens. Delete the broken element and add it again. That usually fixes rendering issues instantly. If your design has lots of effects, shadows, animations, or grouped items, try flattening it. You can duplicate the page and simplify layers before exporting. Less complexity means fewer errors. Another fix here, change your export format. If PNG isn't working, try PDF print. Or switch the other way around. If your design has animations, that can mess things up too. Turn them off or export as a static file instead. And yeah, sometimes it's just Canva acting up. Refresh the page or reopen the design before exporting again. Last thing, make sure your connection is stable. If elements haven't fully loaded, they won't export properly. So fix your layers, re-add glitchy elements, simplify your design, and try a different export format. That usually solves missing elements in Canva. Give it another export. Should work now.